front of you all for a motivational speech, and my topic is you are just one kick away.
Arrive how to actually conquer your mind, what it does. First understands how it fools you. Yes, your mind fools you.
So especially in India, if you have a fair complexion, so most of the people think you are attractive, you are handsome, you are beautiful. They did not consider your inner beauty.
Nobody can motivate yourself unless and until you decide to motivate yourself. There is a शायरी, पत्थर पहले खुद को पत्थर करता है, उसके बाद ही कुछ कारीगर करता है.
And we fail multiple times, but the one thing that we should keep on doing is to always get up and start once again.
Don't try to look like others until you are just hiding yourself from police. If you are hiding from police, then look like others. It's a good idea.
Morning, my name is Simran. Today I'm here sharing an inspiring story of a motivational speaker, Anirudh Kumar Pandey. Friends, do you know who is he?
No.
I believe you all know him, but not with this name. You all know him as a Premanand Maharaj Ji. Yeah. He resides in the holy city of the Vrindavan.
And after that, you know what he said? You planned a lot in your life, but something will get happened and it will be unexpected.
The ones who do not dare to dream, they will one day realize that it was possible. Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Rana and today I'm going to motivate you by telling you on how to overcome fear and also the journey of self-growth.
These are very small incidents that happen in childhood can impact your entire life. So when I was thinking that what will I speak in front of people, so I just thought that I would share something from my life.
Like in the movies, everything will be fine in the end. If not, so this is not your end, because picture bhi baki hai mere dost.
Self-belief may drive you to accomplish anything in your life, even when the path is difficult. But with self-belief, your hard work should be consistent.
Sometimes we get depressed, sometimes we get nervous just because we get some failure in our life. So remember one thing, failure is a part of success.
I decided I don't want to let my fear win. I started to talking to my friend and also practicing in front of mirror and also join the WabsTalk.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Sharma and today I'm here to give a speech, motivational speech, and I want to say that what is motivation? Motivation is something that comes from your inner soul and say that never quit.
Today I want to talk about a profound fact that life is a test we didn't study for.